It's a very clean Seat Ibiza. There's no major marks in it, as can be seen. Very good tyre depth on the back there. Front tyre is good there. Sorry there. There's no dents on it though. That tyre isn't too bad, probably wants to be replaced. Might fade the NCT. Other than that, the back tyre is very good. The NCT was up in February there. I have been driving it there this long time. So that's alright. There's sensor lock on her. That's the inside. Does need a bit of it. It's not too bad. I didn't clean her yet or anything. Electric windows. There's 120,000 miles. Start up there now. Electric windows there. Sensor locking. She does need a bit of a clean. She's not too bad inside that. Yep. Let's open the bonnet here now. This is it. There's actually a new battery going there. It's only about a month old. No oil leaks or anything. Driving 100%. So that's her there now. If you want a good car, good starting car, she would be the one.